We are happy to announce that there is a breakthrough into the fire accident, or you had said some blast and at Dangi colony. We have done the breakthrough, and we fire brigade officers are successful in finding out the reason behind the blast. And with the request of the police fire officer Bosco Ferrao sir, and his entire team has police and fire brigade had joined inspection, and they unearthed what was not observed. As I told yesterday, there were three possibilities we have taken up. One was the leakage from the gas. Second was there could be the AC gas leakage. Third was the that fridge compressor. So all 3 points we have targeted, and I request Bosco Ferrao, fire officer, to brief the media how he came to conclusion.
Restaurant. So the cause of fire could not be profitable. Many people were talking differently, the owner and all. Then our director of fire service, Sri Nitin Raikar sir, the assistant division officer, Sri Ajit Kamath, instructed me just to look into the cause of fire, why it has happened. And Sir Dalvi sir also, Paresh also spoke that we just find out the cause of fire. Then today we went on the site where there were no much people. We examined the regulator, we examined the pipe, the hose, the pipe which was connected to the cylinder was not an ISI mark. Second thing also, the regulator was of a high pressure. Third, they were using a domestic cylinder. So then we tried to find out from the tubing where the leakage is, and then we found out that the leakage was at the end of the pipe underneath, okay, which is connected to the gas stove, okay. And Mr. Pandurang also of HP, he also was there. So then we examined, and then we brought the we said that to bring the cylinder here, I mean the gas stove here with the pipe. So it was brought here, and then we did a demonstration of the cylinder as well as of the regulator as well of the gas stove. There we could see that whizzing sound coming of the LPG leakage, and we could smell the LPG leakage.
आता तुम्ही म्हणतात की लिकेज आसा, सो स्फोट कसो जालो, कितें फायर खंयच्यान मेळ्ळी ताका, कितें
told that it is a packed place, and gas was leaking from the cylinder, and small ignition. If there is a light of the god is चालू असली, that ignition more than enough. There was lights were on inside, fridge was on. Small ignition is more than enough to ignite everything. Since all the three sides it was of concrete of building, only one side of the shutter, as I told yesterday, the only way to exit it through the shutter only, because it is comparatively soft target. So it got blast away, and then it was gravity was felt more.
तुम्ही FIR बी घालतले आता ह्याच्या अगेन्स्ट कितें आसा?
No, we have received a report from one agencies. We will get a report from other agencies also, and then we will come to conclusion.
Not means pipe ISI mark नाही.
Pipe and regulator.
स्टँडर्ड यूज केले, परत तो रेग्युलेटर आसा तोय नॉन स्टँडर्ड आसा. हाय प्रेशर regulator was used for domestic purpose. You are not supposed to use high pressure regulator for the domestic. You have to use it only for the commercial cylinder. So there was a pressure built up, and there was a crack on the pipe, and so there was a leakage from the pipe. So this is how it is.
Regulator फुल खाली जालो तो सगळे लिकेज जावन सिलिंडर फुल खाली जाल्लो तो सगळो लिकेज जावन काय अर्द उरलेलो कसो कितें?
नाही ते जेन्ना फायराचो ऑफिसर गेलो तर त्याच्या म्हणण्याप्रमाणे जेन्ना ते हे फायर इन्सिडंट जाल्यानंतर पासून त्याची गॅस आवाज येतो, त्या पायपाक जर कट पडलेलो थंयच्यान ती गॅस भायर सरताली, आणि त्याच्या नंतर पासून त्याने वचून बंद केला.
Gone. Staff of the fire brigade has gone. He has seen the regulator in on condition. So and he has put it off. So putting it off timely has averted more leakage from the cylinder. And today it was our priority has told by the DGP Goa, Jaspal Singh sir and IGP Goa, that you try to examine the cylinder again. So as per his instruction, we examine everything and we have reached to conclusion that it was a leakage from the gas cylinder. And Mr. Farao sir will tell you how it is leakage was there. We will go and they will come.
They found the regulator in on position. So when they found in on position, and the blast had already occurred before that, and then after that, they immediately started firefighting operations, and then the cooling started on the cylinders. But then we could not see the leakage from the regulator or from the piping. So today morning, after instructions from my senior officer, because we tried from the regulator, it was not getting. Then from the edge there we found out the leakage, and that's how we came to know.